Hey guys, I will do unboxing to you. This is from Bruno MERC. Mark. Okay, as you can see, I'm opening the box. We have this one. We have this one. This is shoes for a man. Number 7. As you can see, this is the shoes. We do unboxing. The shoes. That is the shoes. Beautiful fabric, guys. Beautiful fabric. And we will get that is so that you can see. Number 7. And on the back, you can see it's beautiful. It's beautiful. That is the design of these shoes. That is from Bruno MERC. That is on the back. Beautiful, beautiful. That is the shoes, guys. That is the shoes.